Welcome to today's lesson, which has been taken from your Listening and Speaking Book 3, Unit 1. And we are on page 9. We will be focusing today on vocabulary 1. We'll be dealing with the words assume, which is a verb, form an impression, which is a phrasal verb, behavior, which is a noun, negative, which is an adjective, briefly, which is an adverb, positive, which is an adjective, encounter, which is a noun, sample, which is a noun, error, which is also a noun, and trait, which is also a noun. Assume. This is a verb, يفترض, and that is to accept or believe that something is true. So, you would say, I can't see your car. I assume you have traveled. Assume. Form an impression. This is a phrase, and that is to begin to have an idea about something. يشكل انطباع. And this is a phrase. So like we say, on your first day, you must form a good impression. Behavior. This is a noun. Suluk, the way that you act or behave. The child's behavior is good. Negative. This is an adjective. Silbi, bad or harmful. We say do not have a negative attitude. Smile. Briefly. لمدة وجيزة. This is an adverb for a short time, quickly. سريعا. So we say, for briefly, we stopped off briefly in London. Positive. This is an adjective, ijabi, and that is good or useful. So we say, I have a positive feeling about school. Positive. Sample. This is a noun, namudij, and it is a small amount or example of something. So we say, this is a small sample of my homework. Encounter. Muwajaha, an unexpected meeting. I had a positive encounter with my teacher. Muwajaha. Error. This is a noun. Khata, a mistake. So we say I made an error in the exam. Trait. Sima. This is a noun, and that is a quality that forms part of your character. So we say, my friend has good traits. Okay, let's move on now to activity H, where we're going to use the vocabulary that we've studied today from listening 1 to complete each sentence below. We will use the correct words to fill in the spaces. So let's start with number 1. I took a or an of the carpet home to see whether I liked the color in my living room. So we know straight away that we have a or an. So we're looking for a noun because this is from the signs of a noun. And we also know we have carpet. So we're looking for the word that best suits carpet. And we know that with a carpet, you can get a sample. So the answer is I took a sample of the carpet home to see whether I like the color in my living room. Let's move on to number 2. Bedor made several on his math test because he didn't study hard enough. We know straight away we have several here. And this is an adjective, so we're looking for a noun because adjectives describe nouns. And likewise, we have here, didn't study hard enough. And when you don't study hard enough, usually will make errors. So the answer is errors. Bernard made several errors on his math test because he didn't study hard enough. Number 3. Leal said she wasn't feeling well, so she's not going out tonight. So we know straight away we have I, which is a subject. So we are looking for a verb. And the verb we're looking for has to go with the context. And that is that she said that she wasn't feeling well. So because she said she wasn't feeling well, it came to my mind that she's not going out tonight. So therefore, this coming to my mind is an assumption. So I assume she's not going out tonight. Leal said she wasn't feeling well, so I assume she's not going out tonight. Number 4, the teacher went over yesterday's assignment. Very. We only spent about 15 minutes on it, so I still have some questions. We have very here, which is an adverb. So we're either looking for an adverb or an adjective. We only spent about 15 minutes on it, which means it's a short time. And the best word to suit this is briefly. It has the meaning of a short time. Okay, after this, please complete 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and don't forget 10 in activity H. Please pause the video and complete the activity. Okay, well done. Thank you for doing that. Now please check your answers and see how you have done. For number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you very much for watching today.